today I'm going to be doing a part 2 of my Just Winging It video series. Some of you probably were not subscribed to my channel back then because that was like, maybe the third video I posted on my channel. And so today I'm going to be doing a part 2 of that series, and it's going to be 4th of July. It's going to be 4th of July themed. As you can tell, I'm all patriotic today. Loving this shirt. It's so cute, and I love kitties, so you know, kitties, 4th of July, it's like a match made in heaven. Anywho, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below because you want to. I know you do. Anyways, I'm gonna get you guys zoomed in. We're gonna get started. I just applied just some neutral tone eyeshadow on today. I don't know what that is. Just a quick base on my eyes because sometimes when I'm wanting to do a bold eyeliner look, I just do a nice natural eyeshadow for the day. And we are going to be going in with some tape to start the eye look out with. Alrighty. Tape is on. Let's get started. So I'm going to be going in with the Kokie Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Royal Blue here. Here is what it looks like. I hope you can see that. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. Wow, that did not feel good. I find if I work from this way to the inner part of the eye, especially with a pencil liner, kind of working against the grain, you could say, it just goes on a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster. So then I'm just going to take this on up and kind of create a wing. Kind of like so. And then when we take that tape off, we'll have a nice sharp line. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Alrighty. So that has got the blue on there, so we're just going to go ahead and take the tape off. And there's your nice straight line. Because I could not get that sharp of a line with a pencil liner without the tape. So now I'm going to go in with the white NYX liquid liner. And this is kind of a new look I've kind of been playing around with, is a double wing on each side. So I will kind of show you guys how to do that. Basically, you just kind of start and go straight, kind of straight out, but kind of at an angle too. I did this look the other day, and it turned out really good with the NYX purple liner, and then I did a white double wing on the outside. So here it goes. So basically, you just start at the corner of your eye there and go straight out and then kind of draw it back in. And kind of pull it down to kind of create that double wing. And then I always kind of pull this on out to make it more of a sharp point. It is so hard to talk and try to put on eyeliner, y'all. The struggle is real. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side. and just kind of go straight out. So this blue is more of an angle than the other blue, but we're gonna work with it. So then I'm gonna go in with my Catrice star stamp liner here, and then just add a couple of stars to kind of, or I'm just gonna add one star for the whole 4th of July theme. Yeah, so that is it on my winged eyeliner tutorial episode 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the way my eye look turned out. I think it is looking pretty good. Alrighty guys, so I just want to pop on here and show you the complete finished look. I did go ahead and pop on some red lipstick in the NARS. This is a sample I have in Star Woman. I'm loving this red. Like, this is a perfect red. And it's like already dried down matte. And it's just a little bit transfer proof, but then I did go ahead and add some mascara to finish out the look. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it, and post a picture if you guys want to try to duplicate this look. I would love to see it. I would love to see someone try to do this look other than me. So don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. And hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.